Plant FAQs, Caladium Freida Hemple. Caladium Freida Hemple, a guide to the vibrant foliage favorite. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Caladium Freida Hemple, a stunning houseplant known for its dramatic heart-shaped leaves. What is a Caladium Freida Hemple? The Freida Hemple caladium is a tuberous perennial belonging to the Caladium genus, famed for its vibrant foliage. This particular variety boasts heart-shaped leaves with a striking contrast, bold, deep red centers edged in a bright, fresh green. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. What are the benefits of growing a Freida Hemple caladium? There are several reasons why the Freida Hemple caladium has become a popular houseplant choice. Visual appeal. The undeniable star of the show is the foliage. The contrasting red and green creates a bold statement, adding a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. Air purification. Caladiums, including the Freida Hemple, are known to help purify the air by removing common household toxins. Low maintenance. These caladiums are generally easy to care for, making them ideal for busy plant owners. How do I care for my Caladium Freida Hemple? Here's what you need to know to keep your Freida Hemple caladium thriving. Light. Bright, indirect light is best. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal. If your home is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is key. What are some common problems with Freida Hemple caladiums? While generally low maintenance, here are a couple of issues you might encounter. Leaf browning. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or too much direct sunlight. Adjust your watering routine and provide proper light. Pest infestations. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Neem oil spray is an effective organic solution. Can I grow Freida Hemple caladiums outdoors? Yes, you can. In warmer climates, USDA zones 9 to 11, they can thrive outdoors in shady areas. However, remember they are not frost tolerant. If you live in a colder climate, enjoy them as container plants and bring them indoors before the first frost. How big do Freida Hemple caladiums get? These caladiums typically reach a mature height of 1 to 2 feet, 30 to 60 centimeters, with medium-sized leaves. Is the Freida Hemple caladium toxic? Yes, like other caladiums, the Freida Hemple contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating if ingested. Keep out of reach of children and pets. What are some good companion plants for Freida Hemple caladiums? Caladiums pair well with other shade-loving plants that have contrasting foliage colors or textures. Here are a few ideas. Ferns. Their delicate fronds complement the bold caladium leaves. Begonia. The colorful blooms of begonias add another layer of interest. Hostas. Their variegated foliage creates a harmonious combination. Compared to other caladiums, what makes Freida Hemple special? The color combination of Freida Hemple is quite striking. The deep red center with the vibrant green edge creates a bold contrast that some other varieties might not have. Additionally, it's known for being a vigorous and easy-to-care-for caladium, making it a good choice for beginners. In conclusion, the Freida Hemple caladium is a beautiful and relatively easy-to-care-for houseplant that adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. With its vibrant foliage and low-maintenance nature, it's a great choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a way to add a pop of color to your home, consider giving the Freida Hemple caladium a try.